Danger traffic signs. Pedestrian crossing. This warning sign tells drivers that a pedestrian crossing is ahead. Slow down, watch carefully for people crossing the road, and be prepared to stop. Always give way to pedestrians at the crossing and drive with extra caution. Slippery road. This warning sign tells drivers that the road ahead may be slippery, especially in wet, icy, or snowy conditions. Reduce your speed, avoid sudden braking or sharp turns, and drive carefully to maintain control of your vehicle. Falling rocks. This warning sign tells drivers that rocks may fall onto the road ahead. It is commonly found in mountainous or hilly areas where landslides or falling rocks are possible. Slow down, stay alert, and be prepared to stop if rocks or debris are on the road. Road hump ahead. This warning sign tells drivers that a road hump or speed bump is ahead. Slow down before reaching the hump to avoid losing control of your vehicle or causing damage. Uneven road. This warning sign tells drivers that the road ahead has an uneven or bumpy surface. Slow down and drive carefully, as the uneven road may affect your vehicle's stability and comfort. Roundabout ahead. This warning sign tells drivers that a roundabout is ahead. Slow down, watch for traffic already in the roundabout, and be prepared to give way before entering. Bend to the right. This warning sign tells drivers that the road bends to the right ahead. Slow down before entering the bend, stay in your lane, and be prepared for reduced visibility. Take extra care in wet or slippery conditions. Double bend, first to the left. This warning sign tells drivers that a series of bends is ahead, beginning with a bend to the right. Slow down before entering the bends, stay in your lane, and avoid overtaking. Drive carefully, especially in wet or slippery conditions. Steep hill downwards, 10%. This warning sign tells drivers that a steep downhill gradient of 10% is ahead. Reduce your speed, select a lower gear, and use engine braking to maintain control. Avoid excessive use of the brakes, especially in wet or icy conditions. Tunnel ahead. This warning sign tells drivers that a tunnel is ahead. Reduce your speed if necessary, switch on your headlights if required, keep a safe distance from the vehicle in front, and be prepared for changes in visibility. Tram crossing ahead. This warning sign tells drivers that a tram crossing is ahead. Slow down, watch for approaching trams, and be prepared to stop if necessary. Always give way to trams when required and cross the tracks carefully. Level crossing with gates or barriers. This warning sign tells drivers that a railway level crossing with gates or barriers is ahead. Slow down, watch for warning lights and signals, and be prepared to stop. Never cross the tracks when the barriers are down or the warning lights are flashing. Level crossing without barrier. This warning sign tells drivers that a railway level crossing without gates or barriers is ahead. Slow down, look and listen for approaching trains, and be prepared to stop if necessary. Cross the tracks only when it is safe, and never stop on the railway crossing. Cattle crossing. This warning sign tells drivers that cattle may be crossing the road ahead. Slow down, stay alert, and be prepared to stop if animals are on or near the road. Pass carefully and avoid using your horn, as it may frighten the animals. Wild animals crossing. This warning sign tells drivers that wild animals may cross the road ahead. Slow down, stay alert, and be prepared to stop if animals appear on or near the road. Drive with extra caution, especially at night or in areas with limited visibility. Cycle crossing. This warning sign tells drivers that cyclists may be crossing the road ahead. Slow down, watch carefully for cyclists, and be prepared to stop if necessary. Give cyclists enough space and proceed with caution. Risk of ice. This warning sign tells drivers that the road ahead may be icy or slippery, especially during cold weather. Reduce your speed, keep a safe distance from other vehicles, and avoid sudden braking or sharp turns to maintain control. Quayside or river bank. This warning sign tells drivers that the road ends at a quay, riverbank, or waterfront ahead. Slow down and drive with extreme caution. Be aware of the risk of driving into the water, especially in poor visibility or slippery conditions. Side winds. This warning sign tells drivers that strong side winds may affect vehicles ahead. Reduce your speed, keep a firm grip on the steering wheel, and be prepared for sudden gusts of wind. Extra caution is needed when driving high-sided vehicles, motorcycles, or when towing a trailer. School crossing patrol ahead. This warning sign tells drivers that a school crossing patrol operates ahead. Slow down, watch for children crossing the road, and be prepared to stop when instructed by the crossing patrol. Always follow the patrol's signals and drive with extra care. Traffic signals ahead. This warning sign tells drivers that traffic signals are ahead. Reduce your speed, watch the traffic lights carefully, and be prepared to stop if the light changes to red. Always obey the traffic signals and proceed only when it is safe. Other danger. This warning sign tells drivers that there is a hazard ahead that is not shown by a specific warning sign. Slow down, stay alert, and be prepared to react to unexpected road conditions. Check for additional signs or information explaining the specific danger.